Rigatoni with asparagus and Italian hot sausage. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. I have a couple of friends coming over for brunch, and for a second dish I will be preparing rigatoni with asparagus and Italian sausages. Delicious. Now let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is dilute the saffron in hot water. Just going to leave it alone for about 10 minutes. Heat a couple of tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Saute one thinly sliced scallion. I took the casing off the 4 pork sausages and now I'm just going to break them up. Add to your pan and brown the meat. While the meat is browning, continue breaking up the meat into small pieces. This is a really fast recipe. Bring a pot full of salted water to a boil. It has browned beautifully. I just added 3/4 cups of white wine. Continue cooking until the alcohol evaporates. Preparing the asparagus, just there we are. It'll cut itself. Cut the asparagus into small pieces. Approximately 1.5 cups of asparagus. 300 grams of rigatoni to the boiling hot salted water. Cook the pasta to the directions on your box. Add the asparagus. Season with salt and pepper. One cup of purified water. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, time to add the saffron mixture. 1 cup of heavy cream. We're almost done. Add the cooked pasta. Drain a little bit of the water. A really good mix, and this is almost ready. I'm going to say it again, if you could only smell my kitchen. We're ready. Shut the stove. Add 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano, and we're ready to plate. I'm going to taste this for you. A little bit extra Parmesan cheese. Delicioso. Absolutely delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. And I love the hypes. Ciao. I am really going to enjoy this. I know my friends are going to love this dish.